Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another adventure with me. I trade the. I'm going to explain you the plan. What is the plan is going about? Currently, we are at Orleans, and we are going to walk by the bike. I think the main goal is to just actually go to Blois and set a camp, and then this is actually the main goal of today. I hope I just actually checked on the map by the bike. It would take us like about 3 or 3 hours, or maybe a little bit more. It depends on what. It depends how you go, and yeah. But uh, hopefully it's gonna be a good adventure, and I tried to pack everything as possible. Uh, whatever I would need it in this adventure, I take it. But in case we don't know, in case if there would be other things to just actually have it, but I pretty much is it everything we all need. So yeah, this is actually pretty much is it. I hope it doesn't blow up because it's a little bit heavy, the stuff that I take with me. I'm a little bit concerned about this, worried, but the other stuff is actually going well. On the road I gotta be careful as well, so because there's a lot of people, a lot of automobilists there on the road. Yeah, let's go, man. Yes, we are like about 50 kilometers to Blois. Yeah, we already made about 10 kilometers. So yeah, I think we are gonna make it. It's a good day. The weather is good. It's not too much busy, but I'm a little bit worried about my wheel. So I'm afraid that it pop. It has still a little bit, but I hope it's take us to go. And yeah, everybody. Yeah, we are currently almost about 45 kilometers to Blois. So I think it's about 2 hours, 2 hours and 15 minutes to Blois. And I hope we're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. I gotta take some break a little bit further, because to be honest, I didn't actually eat breakfast this morning. I did skip breakfast, but I gotta eat something before it's late, because the bike is heavy and the weather is hot. So if you don't eat properly, you can actually get tired very easily. Such a nice place, and a lot of these flowers. I don't know what's bad. There's actually a lot. Yeah, stay tuned, guys. Yes, man. We're taking a little bit break here. And yeah, bro. Yes. I am a little bit tired, to be honest. I should actually eat a breakfast. So that's not very good when you don't eat a breakfast. You gotta come and eat that breakfast as well before you come on. So I'm gonna rest a little bit, and then yeah, we are back to go. Hopefully everything is going well as we planned it. Yeah. I gotta have some coffee because I'm done without coffee, man.
Dans 200 mètres.
So as you guys should know, this is the Blois city. Finally we get here, and this is actually, I don't know, some art they're doing every single month. I think they changed this decoration, but it's good. It's good. Probably the Blois city is actually like, okay, they don't have a lot of busy road. The only busy road is supposed to be this one. I don't know what it's called, but yeah. This is pretty much it. Where people come chill and having some fun. I think having fun is good. And there's also a lot of other people actually come photograph themselves here, which is good, yeah. Which is really good. You have some Bach here, and yeah. Yes, currently we are at inside the town. Hopefully I think it's gonna be good because I think we challenge ourselves to just work hard. I mean, not, what do you mean? I mean, like, I'm inside the tent before I get ready to sleep. I got to just brush my teeth, and then that would be probably all. So I think this is it, man.